This vegetable sauce recipe has become part of my favorite way of eating more of leafy vegetable in my diet. Join me, let me show you all how to prepare it. To make this vegetable sauce, I'll be using some tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, vegetable oil, some seasonings, animal proteins, and vegetable. Usually I love to roughly chop my tomatoes for this recipe, but you can choose to blend yours into a rough puree. For the spinach, I'll just take off the extreme parts, then roughly chop it up. I've washed it already. You can choose to actually use pumpkin leaf for this recipe, but I prefer spinach because of the added flavor it gives. Spinach is actually rich in vitamins, mineral, iron, potassium and magnesium. For healthy eating, it's actually advised to eat more of vegetable. Feel free to add this recipe to your food menu. To make the sauce, I'll heat up some vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat, then add some diced onion and saute till fragrant. I'll also be adding some Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Next, I'll transfer the chopped tomato and allow to fry, although this will take a little longer. After about 8 minutes, the tomato is perfectly fried. I'll season it up using some grounded crayfish, some curry powder, some thyme, seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Just little of each spice is enough. I'll just mix everything together. I'll also be adding some fried beef and some chopped carrots for extra crunch. Then mix everything together and allow to fry for 2 minutes so the carrots could soften up a little bit. After 2 minutes, I'll add some mackerel fish and spinach. I'll mix everything together and allow for 2 extra minutes before removing from heat so the vegetables could retain its nutrients. And guys, our vegetable sauce is ready in no time. I'll be serving mine with some rice over here. You can choose to enjoy yours with some pasta or even boiled yam. I'll also be adding some fried plantains as well. Let me know in the comment section if you're trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.